Hi, my name is Camilo, and today I am going to talk about how spending my time lately and how I want to improve my life. Recently, I have been spending most of my time working and studying because I am close to finishing university. So I have been focusing on my professional ground and learning new things about business and personal development. I have also been trying to spend more time with my family and friends because they make me feel motivated and happy. I feel like I have been making progress in managing my time better, and I have been becoming more disciplined and productive every week. However, I would like to spend more time exercise and traveling because I want to improve my health and grow as a person. On the other hand, I would like to spend less time commuting and doing chores since sometimes take too much of my day. Overall, I think I have been doing well. I am proud of progress I have made, and even though I haven't achieved all my goals yet, I feel that I am moving in the right direction and building a better life step by step. Thank you.